How to move photos to album on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right. Then tap on your profile. Scroll down and navigate to your particular post which you want to move to your album. So let's select a photo. Suppose if this is the photo which you want to move to album on Facebook, you simply need to tap three dots. A menu appear where you must see the option to add to album. Currently this is not available on my Facebook. So if it is on yours, you can easily tap on add to album and you will be proceeded towards the page where you can add to album. But if that feature is not working on your device, you simply need to tap on this particular photo. Now tap three dots and now tap save to phone and save this photo to your device. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and then you need to select photos option. Here you need to scroll and you need to tap see all. Now tap create album or you can choose existing album. Let's say if this is the album. Tap add photos or videos and you need to add that particular photo which you saved recently. So as you can see that we already have added photo to this album on Facebook. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.